Getting a traffic ticket can be stressful. Let's walk through your options to help you understand what to do. Review your ticket. It will list your violation, your court date, and other instructions. Some tickets will have a QR code at the bottom, which will direct you to a list of violations and fine amounts. It will also provide information about defensive driving school. Once you've reviewed your ticket, you will see that you don't need to wait until your court date. You have several options to resolve it. Here are your options. You may be eligible to complete defensive driving school if you haven't completed it within the last 12 months. If you chose defensive driving school, you only pay for the class, you do not pay the court. Completing this 4-hour program, either online or in person, dismisses the violation and keeps points off your driving record. You can find defensive driving schools with the QR code or on the court website. Defensive driving must be completed at least 7 days prior to your court date. You can request an extension for more time on the court's website. If you decide you would like to contest the ticket, you can request a hearing using the court website. Verify that your mailing address is correct on the electronic form. The court will mail you information about your future hearing date and time. Be aware that by requesting a hearing, you are waiving the ability to complete defensive driving school. At the hearing, the judge will hear testimony and decide whether or not you are responsible. You can choose to pay the fine. Fine amounts for each violation are listed on the bond card. By paying the fine, you are admitting responsibility for the violation and waiving your right to a hearing. You can pay online through the court website. The court also accepts in-person payments with cash, credit card, check, cashier's checks, or money orders, payable to Chandler Municipal Court and also by phone at 480-734-2942. Payment plans are available through our website and in person. Please note that the Arizona Motor Vehicle Division may assess points depending on the type of violation. For photo tickets, there will be an options page in your packet. Drivers have the same options to complete defensive driving, request a hearing, and pay the citation. There is an additional option if you are not the driver in the picture. If you are not the driver, refer to Section B. Mail a copy of your ID and the completed Section B form to the Chandler Police Department with the envelope provided. It's important to mail this information promptly. If you don't receive a notification by mail prior to your court date, you will still need to appear on or before your court date to speak to a judge or file a motion online to request more time. If your ticket lists multiple moving violations, please note that you can only attend defensive driving school for one of them. For other violations, such as issues with insurance or registration, you can email proof directly to court@chandleraz.gov. If you do not receive a notice or mailing from the court regarding the proof you provided prior to your court date, you will still need to appear on or before your court date or file a motion through the court website. For all traffic tickets, if you fail to act on or before your listed court date, your violation will be defaulted and additional fees will be assessed. If you have questions, you can use the Get Help button to access the live chat function on the website. You do not have to wait for your court date to resolve your ticket. Everything can be completed using the court website. We also have walk-in hours Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. if you prefer to speak with the judge in person.